Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be making a local snack called ojojo. I don't know what it's called in English, but that is what it's called in Yoruba language. So I'll be using wateryam, I'll be using 3 habanero peppers, and I'll be using onion and grounded pepper for more spice. Then I have salt and I have my seasoning cube. Then this is the grater I'll be using to grate the cocoyam. I'll be using this small part to grate the cocoyam, the water yam rather. So if this is a video you'd want to watch, stay tuned and watch up until the very end. So I am done cutting and washing this. I'm going to grate this behind camera. Then when I'm done, I'll bring it for you guys to see. Please ignore my chopping board. I've been using this for a very long time. And this is my roughly chopped pepper and my roughly chopped onion that I'll be using with this. So let me quickly grate this and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, after grating it, this is what it looks like. Smooth and stretchy. So this is how you want your yam to be. So I'm going to add in my pepper and my onions, my salt, and I'm going to mix it together. So this is how it looked having mixed all my ingredients together. So I'll proceed to frying right about now. If you have watched up until this point and you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing and join the family. Let's start frying. So the oil is, I just want to check. So yeah, I have my oil on fire already, and I'm just going to drop in my butter into the oil. Yeah, you fry it with your hands. The oil is not hot enough, so I'll just allow it a little bit more. As you can see, my oil is hot enough, so I'll just scoop it in like I am scooping in puff. So I just make sure I do not overcrowd my pan, and they shouldn't be too big so that it can cook through. So that's what I'll be doing right now. As you can see, my pot is not overcrowded and you can fry it to your desired brownness. But note, it would not be too brown. It just needs to be golden brown and it is cooked. So I'll show you when I am done, and you just continue the same process until you have exhausted your butter. So